the eclipse coming on April 8th be a catalyst to knock out GPS, communication, the power grid, all that stuff? Let's talk about it. If you haven't watched my last two videos about a Carrington event, I really recommend you go back and watch those before watching this one. But anyways, back in 2017 when we had a total solar eclipse, the sun's activity was at a minimum. It was not doing very much whatsoever. It was just chilling up there, right? Now, 2024, we've got sunspots galore, solar flares, we've got all kinds of things happening with our sun, right? Let me show you a picture of it. This is what our sun was looking like on February 21st and 22nd of 2024. So you can see a lot of solar flares, lots of sunspots. So lots of activity on the sun. Our sun looking like this tells us one thing. It's at the end of its 11-year cycle. It's about to flip its poles. So solar flares could possibly affect the Earth. They could possibly impact radio communications, power grids, navigations, all that stuff. Now let's remember that the Carrington event happened back in 1859 on September 1st, and it actually caught some telegraph stations on fire because it was such a powerful geomagnetic storm. So my question was, were there any solar eclipses before that? And yes, there were. On August 28th of 1859, there was a partial solar eclipse. Not only was there this solar eclipse in 1859, but there were 4 more leading up to it. So what do you think? The total solar eclipse coming on April 8th, is it going to affect our power grid at all or our communications?